Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Vudu on Roku step by step clearly. Start by turning on your Roku device. Make sure your Roku is connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen on your Roku. Scroll down and select the Streaming Channels option. In the Streaming Channels menu, select Search Channels. Type in Vudu using the on-screen keyboard. Select the Vudu app from the search results. Press the Add Channel button to install Vudu on your Roku. Once the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Find and select the Vudu app to open it. You will see a prompt to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Vudu account, select Sign In. If you do not have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Once you select Sign In, a unique activation code will appear on your screen. Leave this code visible and take note of it. Now, go to a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Visit the Vudu activation website displayed on your Roku screen. Enter the unique code you noted earlier into the designated field on the website. Click on the Activate button to proceed. You may need to log into your Vudu account if you haven't already. After activation, return to your Roku device. The Vudu app will refresh and your account will be connected. You are now ready to browse and watch content on Vudu through your Roku. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.